Jhulelal Institute of Technology, where performance speaks louder than words. Jhulelal Institute of Technology, approved by AICTE, New Delhi, affiliated to Rashtra Sant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University. The college plays a vital role in determining how a person would conduct himself throughout the rest of his life. The environment the student goes through while he is studying makes a big impact on his mentality and the way he faces the different challenges in life. It creates a strong foundation for the students in making him ready to step out in the competition the world has been witnessing lately. It not only makes him excel academically but also prepares him morally, and that is what Jhulelal Institute of Technology is all about. The college has been into existence for the past 5 years, and the amount of success that it has seen is prolific. May it be in terms of results, placements, technical events and other activities. JIT has not failed to make a mark in every field. Industry-institute interaction in the form of step-up program, live projects, industrial visit, guest lectures and summer internship form an integral part of its curriculum. The college is not just about creating engineers. It is about creating engineers that will have potential to make an impact on society and the way it lives. The efforts taken for placements in the form of campus recruitment training has resulted in good placements even in time of recession. The college owes a major chunk of its success to the fabulous governing body with trustees mostly engineers and professionally qualified, and the hard-working staff that puts its heart and soul in helping the student out in all the ways possible. The students share a very healthy relation with the faculty and administration, thereby making themselves feel at home. The college has a good reputation of highly qualified, meritorious and experienced faculty willing to help the student in all possible ways. Located not very far away from the city, in the serene and peaceful environment, it creates optimum atmosphere for teaching-learning process. JIT can boast of a well-staked library having a vast number of books of engineering and management with e-library facilities. The only college in Vidarbha with a virtual classroom for better understanding of different concepts, and other classrooms comprehensively big, giving a true intellectual experience during the lectures. The college has huge air-conditioned auditorium and hostel facility for boys and girls, offering mess facilities, 24-hour hot and cold water and uninterrupted power supply, and transport facilities from all corners of the city. The Woods Cafeteria is one of the hotspot for the students, offering variety of dishes at affordable prices. The college has achieved many feats thanks to ever vigilant and transparent administration. The college has been ranked second for 3 consecutive years in terms of result in RTMNU exams and achieved good placements. It was also recently awarded as fastest upcoming engineering college of Maharashtra for the year 2013 and 14 by All India Technical and Management Council, New Delhi, and Shiksha Ratna Award to Director Technical Shri Pramod Pampatwar. Dr. S.S. Limay received Vidya Shiromani Award by Indian Solidarity Council, New Delhi. JIT, in an effort to give an opportunity to its students to have a glimpse of celebrities, invited noted actor Akshay Kumar, the Khiladi, to its campus on 9th of October 2013. He was also accompanied by actress Aditi Roy Hydari and Shiv Pandit. Jhulelal Institute of Technology not only promotes the students' studies and performance in exams, but also develops their leadership skills by participating in technical workshop, Robo Race. web designing in Shikhar, which is now an integral part of college annual calendar. Jallosh is a cultural extravaganza celebrated with fervor and enthusiasm. Not just these couple of events, but programs like Ganeshotsav, Independence Day, Janmashtami, Jhulelal Jayanti, Kite Festival are also celebrated in JIT. It is a place of extraordinary energy where even learning is a fun. The best thing about this college is that it will always stand for the welfare of its students. It is a great college to be a part of. With exceptional progress achieved so far, JIT has a long way to go. Jhulelal Institute of Technology, where performance speaks louder than words.